Okay, I'm probably never going to use this filter ever again because this is the scariest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Hello? Hello? Whoa. Hello? Hello? Sorry. Oh my god, it's so weird. I've never seen a cat like this. You have a weird face, bro.
Continua. O braço esticado, a pata.
I'm crying because I love you and then you do evil things.